Hello, I'm Paula. I love old cars and I dream of restoring all the barn finds left to rust. I want to give them a second chance and to show them what an open road feels like again. This is my dream that I'm currently working on. It's a long way to go though. Good morning. Today will be a fantastic day and I am ready for the next challenges as an apprentice in this restoration workshop because this day will be different. This is a Bugatti Type 51. I call him Joker because of the badge on the radiator. It's a 1931 Grand Prix car, very lightweight because of its aluminum body. It weighs only 750 kilos and according to the results on the rolling road, the power at the wheel is 135 horsepower. The Joker is now ready for some race. I will see many interesting cars today and hear proper engines roaring. I can't wait. I always give names to the cars. I think this way I build a special connection with them and they become my friends. London is quite a lonely place even though millions live here. Everybody is too busy with their own lives and the routine slowly turns us into robots. This is why I think it's important to have dreams, aspirations, something that can fulfill your heart. What is your dream? I would love to hear what keeps you motivated. Please let me know in the comment section. To me, my dream is understanding how they work and keeping all cars on the road, cars like this one. I'm at Prescott. The Joker usually races in hill climbs. This is my first time actually watching this kind of motorsport. It's a truly impressive track, very technical. Joker has already won 4 championships, making an unbeatable team with its owner. Look after them, they look after you, right? What's interesting about this motorsport is that there is a class for everyone, even for some with just a daily driver like me. Do you think my E46 is a good choice for hill climb? I would love to be there on the track. I'm wondering what it feels like when you race. Probably you don't have time to think about it. Hill climb isn't the only motorsport for vintage cars. There's also circuit racing. But we will need to make some upgrades on the Joker, like fitting a fire extinguisher. I'm struggling to get my hands on it so I can tighten up the bolts. I made it in the end. Perseverance is the key. My mentor chose 105 octane fuel for this race. This kind of fuel comes in drums. I've loaded the car onto the trailer and we are heading to Donington Circuit now. It's my first driving a car with a trailer, so I'm being very careful. I just hope I won't have to reverse. I'm at Donington now. After I unloaded the car, it is time to adjust the tire pressure. I've pumped the tires to 40 psi with the day before and now I am reducing it to 33. The Joker passed the scrutineering. It is now time for the practice runs. Hearing all this pre-war engine roaring is giving me goosebumps. Practice runs go smoothly and the Joker is performing brilliantly. After the practice runs, I check the plugs. Looks good. And we add some more fuel in the tank. Not too much though, we don't want any unnecessary extra weight. It's time for some timed runs now. I can see how much the hill climbs helps. His launch is perfect. It's a shame it doesn't have space to overtake the other cars. The way he approaches the corners is brilliant. I could watch this all day. This is why it's important to experiment with as much motorsport as possible. They all teach you different techniques. What is your favorite motorsport? The race lasted for 20 minutes and I enjoyed every second of it. I feel so happy to be here. This was the Joker's first circuit race with its owner. They finished in 9th place, which was brilliant for a first attempt. The winner was a chap with a legendary Alfa Romeo 8C. After the race, it's time to relax. I will attend my first cultural rally, a local event with other car enthusiasts. This will last 3 days and I am the navigator for the first time. Initially, I thought it would be like a rally, 2 left, 3 rights over the bridge, but no. This is more of a touring rally where I need to tell the driver where to go, all following some tulip notes that organizers provided. I did really well and managed to keep us on the right route the entire time. We visited some fantastic places and I even started making some new friends. And I'm not talking about cars. The weather is perfect and I enjoy visiting a place with many vintage farming tools and machines. On this tour, I also went on a short boat cruise. It was fantastic. The cars are waiting patiently for the next adventure. This is the tightest garage I have ever seen.
Look at this one. Look at this one then. Screwdriver behind that.
Everything is in its place. You must not use it very often. The weather isn't too great and there are some dark clouds up there. The race started and since we have no roof, we will stop to visit a meal. But by the time we climbed all the way up, the rain stopped. It's time to hit the road again, but the rain starts once more. It's very dark and I begin to feel ice on my face. Yep, we are in a hailstorm and ice is hitting our faces, making the whole experience very painful. We have nowhere to get shelter, so we have no choice but to keep on going. The Joker faces the challenges and, despite the harsh conditions, keeps going without giving us an even harder time. We managed to get through the storm and we stopped at the pub. I am soaked but happy. It was painful but a unique experience that I will keep forever in my heart. I am very impressed by these cars and by these people. They are not keeping them to collect dust but using them as they are supposed to. You look after them, they will look after you. Thank you for watching till the end.